Hello everyone, I'm Josie Kalasagsag. I'm a student of UPOU. Today I will be discussing to you the following. What are parallel systems? Provide illustrations to help your case. Second, differentiate them from distributed and network systems. What is meant by parallel systems? Parallel systems allow several processors to execute instructions in parallel or at the same time. That means simultaneous use of multiple computers resources that can include a single computer with multiple processors, a number of computers connected by a network to form a parallel processing cluster or a combination of both. This is also designed for program execution speed up and fault tolerance. Ideally, parallel processing makes a program run faster because there are more engines or CPUs running it. In practice, it is often difficult to provide or divide a program in such a way that separate CPUs can execute different portions without interfering with each other. Parallel systems are more difficult to program than computers with a single processor because the architecture of parallel computers varies accordingly, and processes of multiple CPUs must be coordinated and synchronized. Here is an example of parallel systems, a program and CPU. A program will require a CPU, one single CPU, to process or run a program in 5 seconds. This is the time of a single CPU. What if we have more than one CPU processor core to run a program? Then we can split the programs into 5. Also, the CPU. With this, the program will process in 1 second each CPU. But this program will process together at the same time in 1 second, of course. As we can see, the programs are split and executed by several CPUs at the same time. After that, process results are recombined. The difference between the network systems and the distributed systems. In network systems, interconnected collection of autonomous computers able to exchange information. In operating system, it usually requires users to explicitly log in onto one machine, explicitly submit jobs remotely, explicitly move files or data around the network. Here's an example of network systems. Mobile networks. Mobile networks that allow people to use computers to send and receive mail electronically. While the distributed systems, the existence of multiple autonomous computers in a computer network is transparent to the user. The operating system in distributed systems automatically allocates jobs to processors, moves files among various computers without explicit user intervention. Not unlike in network system, the operating system, the user required to log in the machine. It is also the collection of independent computers interconnected via a network capable of collaborating on a task. Also a collection of processors that do not share memory or a clock, which means each processor has its own local memory and other peripherals, and the communication between any two processors of the system takes place by message passing over the communication network. Example of distributed systems. Network of workstations. I think most of you here are already familiar with this. Personal workstation plus processors not assigned to specific users. In network of workstation, the single file system with files accessible from all machines in the same way and using the same path name. For a certain command, the system can look for the best place workstation to execute it. So that ends my discussion. Hopefully, you have learned from me. God bless.